The landscape of aging in Illinois is changing. Families want loved ones to age with dignity at home. This movement, called Aging in Place, is creating unprecedented demand for services, offering a remarkable opportunity to build a meaningful business. As long-term care needs rise, many seniors don't require medical help, but the gentle support of a caregiver. This is non-medical home care. It's a business built on trust, empowering seniors to live fuller, independent lives in their own homes. In Illinois, in-home care is divided into two categories: home health and home services. Home health is skilled medical care from licensed professionals. Home services are non-medical. This distinction dictates the license you need and services you can legally provide. Home services are non-medical, covering daily activities like bathing, meal prep, and companionship. Your caregivers will not perform any clinical tasks. In Illinois, the IDPH regulates these agencies. For private pay, non-medical care, you will likely need a home services agency license. Define your business model. The IDPH sees a bright line between medical and non-medical home care, and your choice impacts everything. Then, make it official. Choose a name, form an LLC, get an EIN, and open a business bank account. First, choose a professional name and check its availability. Next, form a limited liability company, or LLC, to protect your personal assets by legally separating you from your business. Finally, get an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. Next, apply for your free Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is critical for hiring and taxes. Then, open a dedicated business bank account. Keep business finances separate from personal to protect your LLC and simplify bookkeeping. The Illinois Department of Public Health, or IDPH, is the gatekeeper. For most new owners providing direct care, the Home Services Agency license is the path. The process is meticulous and requires heavy preparation. Once licensed, your focus shifts to people and marketing. Thoroughly screen all caregivers using Illinois' Healthcare Worker Registry and fingerprint background checks. Want hands-on help? Visit www.carepolicy.us today. We'll get you licensed, compliant, banned, ready to serve your community with confidence.